How to use Mailchimp full tutorial for beginners. So guys, let's begin. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews, and how to create an online business. So guys, let's get started. So basically, Aweber is an email marketing tool. So the first month is free, and then, or I think so, if you have 1,000 subscribers till that time it's free, and then after that you need to start paying. All you have to do is click on login, put your username and password, login. Once that's done, so you need to create, so this is my audience right now. So basically now we have created, all you have to do is click on create and just create a sign up form. So basically, if you have a website like I do, a WordPress website, then you can embed your form over here. But if you do not have a website, you can create a sign up landing page, and then I would select, I could say demo 1 landing page. You can create a landing page and begin. You could see a lot of landing pages. Choose something from here. I would say just select this landing page, save. So this looks good. You can add images as you want, save and close, and then you can just add a URL and then save. And then once this is done, you can add a page title, demo 1, save, finish, publish. So wow, congratulations, this is your landing page. You could send this to anyone and they could download. So you could write big offer or free offer. So I could just do it right now if you want. So you could write get your free offer. You can put an image and someone types their email ID, so they would be added into your audience. So your audience is here, so they would be added over here. So let's say if I type Jack Smith @gmail.com, I add this, subscribe. If I refresh, there would be one more contact added. So you could see Jack Smith is added. Now once this is added, I need to automate, so I could just send them emails. So you could just welcome a new subscriber, click over here, send a welcome email, begin. So whenever they subscribe, you could send them an email saying thanks for joining, and this is it. Once this is done, come back again on emails. You could select regular emails, create a campaign. You could say follow up campaign, click next. So you could start sending them emails in intervals. So now this is, you can write down everything over here and start sending them emails. I could explain you in a bit. So basically, when someone, this is when they subscribe. Okay, so when they subscribe, they put their email ID, then you could send them email. So I could say email 1, okay, email 2, email 3. So you can just set it once and you could start sending them again and again. So once they put the email over here, then you can start sending them emails. And this is how you could do follow-up campaign, where you could start sending them emails. And this is how simple Mailchimp it is, and it's very simple. You could see, you could create email ads, websites, landing pages, very easy and simple to use. That's it guys. If you need more information, I've created a free crash course on how to build your online brand, so you could use this one. And if you go back to my YouTube channel as well, everything's included. How to use the email opt-in plugin, email forms, but this course will give you everything. The link is down below. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.